Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is June the 13th, 2022, and we are looking at our cantaloupes. They're actually still alive, which is amazing, because the pumpkins have died. 11 out of 12 Seminole pumpkins have died due to root knot nematode. And so these particular melon plants, I expected them to go as well, but they're still here. So this is just an update on the progress. We're just going to keep watching them. We've given them like minimal attention. They're in basically sandy soil with a little bit of mulch on top. And so there's really nothing fantastic about this particular location. It's in the understory of some palms. It gets a pretty decent amount of sunlight. So I don't know. We'll just have to keep watching these going forward. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as we'll keep you updated on the progress of these cantaloupe. Have a good day.